Yung lahat, ilang pagpupugay po sa bagong kasal.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause.
For Mark and Cindy. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Please remain standing. It is written in everything you do, put God first, and He will direct and crown your effort with success. Let us therefore be.
Let us all put ourselves in the holy presence of the Lord. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Pamilyang Labres at Caballeros sa pagkikipagtulungan po ng Queensland Catering Services. Kanina pa po naghihintay napakasarap na pagkain na headed by our head waiter, Mr. Richard. Richard, kaway ka na sa dili. Ayun po siya yung nakamaroon, okay? Huwag po kayong maglalaya po. Okay, let's move on. Love is the most powerful and magical force in the universe. And there's no way it displays beauty and wonder more than an